G'day guys, welcome back to part 2 of the death wobble on the Land Cruiser 80 series, and this part's the solution to it, so check this out. Hey guys, alrighty, so we managed to fix the problem with the help from you guys. So that video was overwhelming with all the tips and ideas that we got. The main ones were jack the car up when you're checking all the bushes. So I did that. I went round to my mate's workshop, we put up on the hoist and we pulled all the wheels off, and we made sure that everything was tight, all the bushes, the drag length, steering, all that, the radius arm bushes. Now that one, there was a few comments saying check the angle of the diff. Now that has the offset bushes in it to account for that when you put the big lift in, so it wasn't that. The funniest comment was the steering wheel's on the wrong side of the road from Shane, but yeah, no, that's not it, dude. The wheel alignment, these rims are 10-inch wide rims. They're 35-inch tires. They're alloy American racing wheels, so we did get them balanced. That was a big part of the problem. Because they are so wide, when they go to put the wheel weights on the inside or the outside, wherever, they're so wide, they're really hard to balance. So what the guys did was something they use on trucks, balance beads or balance powder. So if you do have big wide tyres and you have the same problem, I suggest you go to a tyre balancing place and get a wheel alignment, get all that stuff done, and ask them to put the balance powder or balance beads in there. And that stuff just naturally finds where it needs to go, but you need to put yellow valve caps on, because if anyone goes to balance them, they won't be able to do it with that stuff in there. All the other stuff, steering stabilizer or steering dampener, that's the other thing I did. I'll chuck a photo up here. Now I wanted to stick with Tough Dog, guys, because that's all the shockies that are in this thing are Tough Dog adjustable, the big bore ones, and they've never let me down. So I stuck with them, but put the spring return to center style on, and that has helped as well. Everything else that was suggested on there was all good. So all the bushes, everything was tight, wheel bearings, kingpin bearings, all that stuff's fine. So basically, what fixed it, and this is freewheeling hubs too, guys. I've got AVM freewheeling hubs. But if you wanted to have a general overlook of the 80 series, I'll put the link to it up on the screen. I did like a walk around video, so check that out. But yeah, basically guys, the biggest thing was rotating the tires and balancing the wheels. So we went from front to back and from back across to front. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. So we did that. We balanced the wheels. We put a steering dampener on. Problem solved. So that was pretty much it. It didn't seem to be anything to do with the steering box mount cracking or anything. But while I was researching that, I did find this. I'll put a photo up so you can have a look. Now that is a kit that you can buy to fix that, guys. So if that is your problem, there is a solution there. But just having a quick flick through all the other comments now. But yeah, everyone's saying wheel bearings and all that sort of stuff. But basically, guys, I read every single comment, and 99% of them were really helpful. There was a couple of fuckwits on there, but yeah, for a majority of the part, they were really helpful, guys. So anyway, I just wanted to do a follow-up video to answer all your questions. So yes, we have fixed it. Steering dampener, wheel alignment, and rotation. So that was the three things that made all the difference to the big girl. And yeah, I suppose all those other things are important to check as well, but in my case, they're all sweet. And the tyres and all that, this car has done 2 trips up to Cape York, guys. So, and same suspension, same shockies, same tyres, same wheels, the whole lot. So it's unbelievably good stuff. So Dobinson springs, Tough Dog shocks, Maxxis Bighorn tyres. Hasn't let me down yet, apart from that temporary scary as shit death wobble. But yeah, that's long and the short of it, guys. Thanks so much for helping me fix that. And yeah, don't forget to check out the 80 series walk around, because I know a few people like the look of the old girl. So yeah, that'll give you a better look of what I've done to it. But yep, thanks again, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that stuff, and I'll catch you on the next one. So radio, see ya.